Hi, we're here at Furniture Savings. We wanted to show you how to level a chair. So first you want to do is, you can see it right now, it looks like one leg is short on the front. Just twist the chair 180 degrees and make sure that it's the same way. A lot of floors, especially hardwood floors, are unlevel, and if that be the case, then the floor is unlevel, maybe not the chair. As you can see there, we've got flat cement here, it's unlevel both ways. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to flip the chair upside down on a soft surface. You may want to get a blanket or something and lay down, but we've got some carpet right here, so we're just going to come upside down here. We're going to bring the camera in close and show you what we're going to be working on first. So there's two bolts to go into the back of each corner, and then on this particular chair has two bolts that go straight into the back. All right, that's the only ones we're going to be messing with. We're going to leave the front legs tight, and then if the camera can come around. So what's happened here is the seat box itself is unlevel. So you can see there's a little bit of seat box hanging here, and then there's none over here. So the seat box itself is unlevel, which makes it appear that one leg is short on the front when actually it's not. It's just the seat box is unlevel. This happens a lot during assembly, and these chairs are so sturdy, once they're screwed and locked into place, they stay that way. So, all right, so we're going to loosen these back bolts that we showed. Just take your time here. We want to get them finger loose or finger tight, just so that you can kind of wiggle them with your fingers there. You can see that I can kind of wiggle them. Whoops, that's going to happen from time to time. Yours may be a little bit tighter than this. I'd already pre-loosened these a little bit. So this time, I'm going to go ahead and just shift the chair base to make it nice and level. But we're going to flip it over here and just see if that's level for us. Okay? Let me get to the cement here. No rock either way. That's what we're looking for. So I'm just going to flip it back over. Double check that, make sure. Oh, did you see that? Look at that. See, it's actually moving up and down as I'm because the bolts are loose. So what I want to do is just kind of make sure it's all nice and level when I tighten it back up. So actually, the first thing you want to do in making it level is, well, we're going to do one leg first. Get it nice and snug. Alright, just double check everything. There we go. And snugging them up, you just want to compress the lock washer that's in there. You want them nice and snug. You don't want to wrench them or, you know. This particular brand, Kincaid, is made extremely well, so it's hard. It would be very hard to strip out the screws. Some other type chairs, it would be much easier to strip out the screws. So this one you can kind of pull down tight, but you don't have to, you know, use all your force or anything. It's going to be nice and sturdy. All right. Let's see how close we are. Here we go. All nice and level.